Hi everyone, it's Sue Plumb here to share an unboxing video of the Kitaholic Kits May Kit. Alright, let's get stuck in. Get rid of this. Okay, so I'm going to start with papers like I usually do. Got some very pretty papers this month. Okay, so here's a little sneaky peek that way. Flip them over that way. Can anybody guess what we're dealing with? It's Heidi Swap Carefree. Fabulous. Let's have a quick look at the papers. So I like this green print here, and then it's got like a mustard on the other side. I'm thinking boys already. This is a really sweet floral. It's got this really light sort of, it's almost a blush sort of pink on the background, and then it's got like this sage green sketchy floral print on it, which is nice. And then it's got the spot on the back. That's really cool actually. It's going to be a tough choice, that one. We've got one of these sort of fun photo collage papers. So you can see all sorts of photos that have been collaged together. That one's called High Tide. And then on the back, oh, sold. I'm sold already. So there's a wood grain there that's got like a distressed paint finish on it. That's me right there, done. Okay, this is called Mirage. It's got like a beautiful, subtle, like watercolor style print on it. Really lovely. This one, it's almost a grey. I want to say it's almost a grey. It's sort of got a very warm grey undertone though. That's nice. This one, you can see similar palette. This is bolder. Again, this has got that sort of painted watercolory vibe. This one's called Vista. Well, I shouldn't be lifting them up so high, should I? Sorry. That's really nice. And then again, another floral that's got a sort of a purpley coloured background. See that? Oh. Okay, same palette again. You can see this one's like a painted stripe, like a graduated painted stripe. Really nice tones. On the back, a simple ledger paper. So this one's called Trail Guide. Oh, another one that's similar to this one here, except this one's got just the warm tones. So this one's called Sunset. It's really pretty, really nice. And on the back, oh, another ledger paper. Oh, so we've got a couple of ledger papers. This one's called Salty Air. Again, it's one of those photo papers. I actually find these quite difficult to work with. So if you've got some suggestions for me, I think I'd definitely be going to B-side on that one, which is that nice neutral leafy print there. Thoughts, people? This one is called New Day. So it's just got some basic color blocks on it. Geometric, pretty bold. On the back, oh, it's got a nice animal print, neutral animal print on the back. I really do love B-sides, don't I? I'm such a B-side girl. This one has got really cute little rainbows, little doodled rainbows. So that one's called Sunny Skies. And on the back, again, it's got one of those photo style papers, which is clouds. That's really nice. I'd use that one as opposed to that one. I just think it would be harder to use. The beach one as opposed to clouds. I don't know. Okay, so I'm liking this muted sort of colour palette. I'm seeing the possibility for girl layouts, boy layouts. all sorts of stuff. Cool palette. Okay, let's have a look at some embellishments. So we've got some thickers. These are from Storyline Chapters. Again, that's Heidi Swap. These are raw chipboard, so I'll have to do something with those. Although raw in their raw state, they actually will work quite well with some of the tones in some of these papers. How many A's have we got? 2, 4, 6 A's. That's reasonable. Okay. Cardstock stickers. These are the ones. These are Heidi Swap too. So I'm assuming these are the ones that match with this Carefree collection. They have to, because there are those sweet little rainbows. Look at them. So I've got some little phrase stickers there. Nice little floral. Lots of labels. We've had one of her sticker sheets in the past that has this format, so it has lots of sort of words and icons and things here, and then a stack of labels, so they're always handy. We've got, again, Heidi Swap, so that's got to be the Carefree Ephemera. Can you see that? Lots of bits and pieces in it. It looks like there is some, yes, there's some vellum in there. I love ephemera. That's like acetate, vellum, just different sort of materials that give different looks on the page. Yes, look at that. Vellum. Oh, so pretty. There's foiling in here. I'm not going to tip them all out now. You'll see that when I do a video. Oh, more vellum. Happy camper. Look at that. I do love ephemera. Okay. There's actually a stamp set in this month, in the kit, in the main kit. So this is from Pink Paisley, 5th and Monaco. Really floral based set here. Little leaves, butterflies. I'm in. There's a sentiment that says thanks, so that'd be great if you are a card maker. But I would be guessing I'm going to use these on some layouts. So cute. Chipboard title. It's the little things that makes us smile. That's nice. Raw. Little things that makes us smile. I'd probably go, it's the little things that make us smile. I might cut that S off actually. I'll probably end up like painting that or something. Okay, we've got some doilies. You know, I am a doily user, so we've just got some plain white doilies in there. We've got some Bow Bunny candy dots, which are just little enamel dots. I really like the colorway of those. So there's sort of a, I don't know if that's a grey or a blue. I'd sort of say it's like a steel blue colour. And then there's like an apricot colour. And then there's a pink. And then there's a mint. So yeah, they are nice. Lots of little ones make me happy. Okay, so that is the main kit. So there's plenty there to keep me busy. Now, in this month's mixed media add-on, we have got Vicky Bouton Colour Study, the stencil set. So there's 3 stencils in this set. So there's a floral. I'll hold this. I'm hoping you can see that. So there's a floral. And then there's this one here, which is, it is kind of, it is a bit reminiscent of rainbows. See, it's got those little arched, it's sort of like rainbows, peacock feathers. And this one, which has got like crisscross sort of lines. It's probably better if I show you this picture. It's kind of like a basket weave, I would want to say. Doesn't really say, does it? What would you call that? It's sort of like a basket weave texture almost. So to go with the stencils, Vicky Bouton stencils, we've also got some of the Vicky Bouton crayons. So you can see them there. So I actually don't have any of these in my arsenal yet, so it'll be nice to play with these and have a new medium to play with. So we've got pink, green, blue and orange. So they will be fun. I can't wait to, yep, quite sort of waxy. They'll be fun to try out and see what we're going to use those for. So there you have it. So mixed media kit there. That's our main kit there. Heaps to play with. Not exactly sure what I'll do. I think this kit can lend itself really well to a variety of themes. Like I said, girl pages, boy pages, maybe some travel pages, just some everyday moment pages. We'll see where it takes me. Thanks for watching today. Bye.